what's up? So as you saw today, I'm doing like a productive and self-care day. I currently have this like list on my iPad of what I want to get done today. So far we are on track for timing, so I'm pretty proud of that. In about 10 minutes I'm going to start my Duolingo lesson for Korean. If you don't know, I'm Korean and I used to go to Korean school when I was in like elementary, and now I'm in high school, so you can imagine that my Korean is pretty not good. Even then it wasn't amazing because I was like in 5th grade and I don't really speak Korean at home. My mom speaks Korean a lot to us, and so I can understand fairly well, but speaking is definitely not as strong as the listening part. So I'm trying to like practice like the grammar and like forming sentences. I feel like I'm okay at it, but I'm definitely not anywhere near fluent. Other things I gotta do for the day, I have to take a science ACT, which isn't fun, but we gotta do it, you know. I wanted to count my change. If you saw my previous video, you know how much I'm an advocate for that, and I haven't done it in a while, so I gotta do that. Another thing, I gotta exercise. I have not worked out in like a week. This is like the longest I haven't gone working out since I started, which was like an end of May, so kind of gotta get back on that really bad. But I will probably just film like a couple things I'm gonna be doing. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's currently 12:30. I should have already by now taken my science ACT and filled out this book, but I have not yet because as a normal person, I procrastinate and also just do a bunch of different things, and like then you realize time passes and it's like, okay. I was gonna take my science ACT, but then I figured out that I was gonna eat lunch really soon. Thought instead in the meantime, I would tell you guys about what this book is that I'm gonna be filling out. It's called Create Your Me Movement. I actually got this from Five Below. I got this because it reminded me of the Happy Project, which I filmed a little bit ago. This book is supposed to last like a year, and each week you do something different that kind of targets a different part of your life. The 4 topics in this book are play, spirituality, strength, and purpose. And I have not been using this like how it's supposed to be, which is like filling out one thing weekly. I think I'll benefit from this more if I kind of just do whatever I feel like doing. But I'll show you one that I think I'm gonna do this week, or today at least. So this is what the spread looks like. So the quote is, if you're not having a great time and loving it still, then you should do something else, which is very true. So the prompt is name 5 activities you do but dislike, and then name 5 activities that sound fun but you've never tried. So I'm going to fill this out and let you guys know what I put down.
I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking by the card the June blues, yeah.
Okay guys, so I finished my entry of my book, so I'm just gonna read the stuff I did. So for the 5 activities that I do but I dislike, I don't really have activities that I pursue if I don't like them. So this is a little different. It's more just like things that I do that I don't like. But I said procrastinate, not showing enough gratitude, arguing with parents, wasting time on my phone, and not keeping my spaces tidy and clean. So for stuff that I've never tried but sound fun, I put sewing my own outfit from scratch, which I've never done, like buying the fabric and then making your own outfit. I think that's really cool though. Going skydiving, definitely want to do that in the future. Preparing a full meal for my family. I've cooked for my family, I've cooked for myself, but I've never made like a full-on meal for my family. Hosting a game night with lots of friends. If you know me, you know I love games, not just like board games, which I also love, and like card games are amazing, but also games like Mafia and other games you just have to think more and there's like strategy involved and like a lot of conversing and talking, stuff like that. And then the last thing I put is to have a fully spontaneous day. I feel like I plan a lot, and also that has to do with like my parents and like making sure they know what's going on and that I'm okay. I'm hoping sometime soon I can just go out with my friends for the whole day and not have to tell anyone what I'm doing, and just going with the flow and just doing whatever we feel like. Okay guys, it is currently about 3 p.m. and I still have not done my ACT, but I'm making a promise. The next clip you will see will be me taking it because I'm gonna do it right now, and then after that I'm gonna do some more self-care things, and they're also productive. This is definitely an accurate portrayal of my life and how I procrastinate things, but you know, we get it done, that's all that matters. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. I feel pretty good about it. You can see it's about 4 p.m. and I'm about halfway through my list, so As you can see, we're in the kitchen now. I'm gonna be meal prepping my dinner, which is basically gonna be a snack because my lunch is pretty heavy. I'm gonna be making like a yogurt bark basically. It's pretty simple. This is the first time making it, so hopefully it turns out really good. First thing I'm gonna do is I think prep the strawberries. My mom already actually like has them cleaned like for eating and stuff, but I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces just because you can't really put just this in a bark. It'll be way too big. So I'm currently just gonna be dumping, I guess, yogurt onto here, and hopefully I can get like a nice thick consistency because it's a little hard to like make this stay and for it to be even. This is currently what my bark looks like. I feel like the thickness is okay. Hopefully it's not too thin or too thick. And my strawberries here, I'm about to put those on. Okay, so now step 2, we're gonna put these strawberries on. I did like different shapes, like some of them are circles, some of them are like just chunks. I think I got too many strawberries as well, so I'll just eat those. This is the current look. We're gonna add a couple more ingredients and then put them in the freezer. Okay, I know the lighting's all weird right now, but look at this bark. I am so excited. I'm hoping it tastes as good as it looks. In this bark, I put some Greek yogurt, strawberries, chocolate chips, granola, and almond butter, and that's it. So I just finished counting my change and I'll show you guys how much I got. First, we have 3/4 stacks and each of these are $10. So I have $30 here. And then we have $5 of dimes, so $35, and then $2 nickels, so $37. And then I have 4.50 worth of pennies. So what did I just say? 37? So then I have 39 bucks, which is pretty good. So now I'm gonna go work out with my sister. We're just gonna go downstairs and do a workout video. Not really sure what we're doing yet, but yeah, I'll just see you guys after I shower and then I'll try some of the bark that I made. Okay guys, so here is the bark. Oh my gosh. So as you can tell, some people ate it already, but we also added some like coconut stuff in here because we wanted to make it a little sweeter. But I'm gonna taste test it. Hey guys, update. So my workout literally killed me. I felt so bad after because I had not worked out in a little bit, and I can definitely tell that that took a toll on me. But I took a shower. I feel great now, and I'm so ready to eat this. It's like literally stuck to this. Okay, there you go. I guess I'll just like rip off a chunk. If you're looking for like the sweetest thing in the world, this isn't it. But if you have like somewhat of a sweet tooth and you're trying to be healthy, and if you really like yogurt, obviously this is gonna be good for you. Oh, this is definitely frozen. Woo, my mouth is so cold. Overall, I'm gonna say this was a thumbs up. I probably would have done less yogurt. This is kind of thick, but still success. Okay, so before I like fully relax, I'm gonna do 2 things. First is to make a new YouTube banner because I am in desperate need of a new one. And then second is to clean out my email just because I have so many like old emails I don't need anymore. So I just want to get rid of them. And then after, I'm thinking about doing a face mask and watching some Teen Wolf, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So I guess we'll see. It's about the end of the night now. And I just want to do a face mask and watch some TV. So we are gonna use this cucumber mask. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. I look so scared right now, but my skin feels so nice. It's so cool. I look like a marshmallow human being. If that's even a thing, it is now. Imagine I look like this all the time. Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. Okay, I'm literally an idiot. I forgot there was like a nose thing, so I redid it, and now I look even scarier.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so now I have to take it off, so let's... Oh. And here she is. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed just following my day, and hopefully this gave you some ideas for productive things to do and also self-care things. If you guys want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Take me